Want to create a generated visuals that truly tell a story? Forget generic images and dive into the art of crafting compelling scenes in Midjourney today. We'll unlock the secrets to building visually stunning environments and narrative-rich visuals that push the very boundaries of AI storytelling. Our first step is mastering composition. Think about the rule of thirds. Imagine your scene divided into a tic-tac-toe grid. Placing your key subjects, like this knight's face, off-center draws the viewer's eye and creates natural visual flow. Next, let's talk about depth and scale. Use atmospheric perspective, fog, mist, or even distance itself to push elements further back. Large, majestic subjects like this dragon, dwarfing the environment, immediately convey a sense of epic scale. Prompt engineering. Is your paintbrush here instead of just library? Try ancient, dusty library filled with glowing tomes, illuminated by ethereal floating orbs, bathed in warm golden or light. Specificity is key to unlocking these rich details. Stylistic choices breathe life into your scenes. Consider the mood. Do you want something ethereal and magical? Then aim for dappled sunlight, soft focus, luminescence. For a sense of awe and intimidation, think low-angle perspective, dramatic lighting, imposing scale, eerie phosphorescent glow. This creates a powerful visual narrative of something ancient and powerful. Storytelling in AI images is about more than a single shot. Think about juxtaposition. Contrasting busy scenes with quiet, introspective moments can create a powerful narrative tension. Finally, embrace cinematic techniques, wide shots to establish a grand setting, close-ups for emotional impact, and even implied movement through dynamic angles. These all contribute to a captivating visual story. Experiment and refine your prompts to bring your most compelling scenes to life.